Here are 5 news from the world of the cryptocurrency industry. First, news. Biden supports SEC, vetoes Congressional resolution. President Joe Biden vetoed a congressional resolution that nullified SEC Staff Accounting Bulletin No. 121, SAB 121. The resolution, which garnered significant support from Republicans and some Democrats, was passed by both the House of Representatives and the Senate on May 16. Introduced in March 2022, SAB 121 requires financial institutions to report on customers' digital assets, imposing heavy operational and financial burdens on companies dealing with cryptocurrencies. Senator Cynthia Lummis, a key supporter of the resolution, stated that SAB 121 jeopardizes consumer assets during bankruptcy. Facing criticism from crypto industry leaders and several lawmakers, Congress repealed SAB 121. The House of Representatives first voted, with 228 members supporting the repeal and 182 opposing. A week later, the Senate voted 60-38 to repeal the rule. However, more votes were needed to prevent a presidential veto. In a statement accompanying the document, Biden emphasized that his administration would not support measures that could harm consumers and investors. Since the Congressional Review Act was applied, this Republican-initiated resolution unduly limits the SEC's ability to set necessary restrictions and address future challenges. This repeal could undermine the broader powers of the SEC. My administration will not support measures that endanger the welfare of consumers and investors, said Biden. Reactions to Biden's veto in the crypto community were divided. Some see it as a necessary step to protect investors, while others view it as a hindrance to financial innovation. SEC actions preventing highly regulated American financial companies from providing custody services for Bitcoin hinder financial innovation and competitiveness. This could force businesses to relocate to countries with more favorable regulations, leading to capital, talent, and technology outflows from the U.S. For American citizens, these restrictions reduce access to financial innovation and investment diversification, putting them at a disadvantage compared to residents of other countries, said Manuel Ferrari, co-founder of Money on Chain and Mim Labs, to Be in Crypto. Despite the veto, Biden expressed readiness to work with Congress on new legislation for the digital asset market, emphasizing the need for measures to protect investors. Second, news. For cryptocurrencies that could hit new lows in June. Bearish sentiment regarding some cryptocurrencies has intensified. In the short term, this could deprive them of some of the gains recently made. In May, trading activity in the crypto market increased. Many coins reached new highs, and the cryptocurrency market grew by 17% over 30 days. However, some altcoins are now targeting a decline. Cardano, Bitcoin Cash, Axie Infinity, and Sandbox have experienced growing bearish sentiment, which in the short term may deprive them of some profits. Cardano's price peaked at 50 cents on May 21 and then retreated. The Awesome Oscillator, AO, technical indicator confirms the current distribution trend of ADA, as it shows red histogram bars. This indicator measures market momentum, determines the current cryptocurrency trend, and potential price reversal points. When AO shows red bars, short-term momentum decreases faster than long-term momentum. This usually indicates increased selling pressure and hints at a possible price drop. Meanwhile, ADA's AO has only shown red bars since April 1. Consequently, bearish sentiment has dominated the Cardano market for over 60 days. If selling pressure continues to increase, the price may fall to the 40 cents level, last seen in December 2023. Bitcoin Cash, a popular Bitcoin fork that emerged in 2017 and operates on the proof-of-work algorithm, has dropped more than 10% in the last 10 days. This is due to increased capital outflows from the asset, confirmed by the Changpeng Money Flow (CMF) indicator. This metric measures the movement of cash flows into and out of the asset based on volume and price changes. Traders use it to assess the direction and strength of the trend. CMF above zero indicates market strength and high capital inflows. Meanwhile, a negative CMF value shows more sellers in the market, and the price may soon decrease. In the case of BCH, the CMF value has been below the zero line since May 23. At the time of writing, it was minus 0.06. Moreover, the parabolic stop and reverse (SAR) indicator points confirm growing selling pressure, especially in recent days. This indicator also trends. When its points are above the asset price, sellers dominate the market. If the BCH distribution trend continues, the next target level may be $459.40. The AXS price, the token of the play-to-earn gaming platform Axie Infinity, rose by 11% last month. However, a dip below the 20-day exponential moving average, EMA, signals bearish sentiment. In the coming weeks, AXS may lose some recently gained points. The 20-day EMA helps track the average price of an asset over the past 20 days. When the cryptocurrency price falls below this key moving average, sales dominate the market, which is considered a bearish signal. If selling pressure on AXS continues to increase, its price may fall to $7.30, and then to the long-term support level of $6.76. Sandbox, Sand, another token in line for a sell-off. The MACD, moving average convergence/divergence, is a momentum indicator that compares the dynamics of the 12-day and 26-day exponential moving averages, EMA. The index consists of two lines, the MACD line and the signal line. When the short-term moving average crosses below the long-term one, it is considered a signal to sell in close long positions. As seen in the sand chart, the MACD line, blue, crossed the signal line, orange, from top to bottom. Traders may view this as an opportune moment to sell. If sand sales intensify, the price may fall below 40 cents and reach 36 cents. Third news. Changpeng Zhao begins serving prison sentence in California. Changpeng Zhao, former CEO of Binance, began serving a 4-month prison sentence at the Federal Correctional Institution in Lompoc, California. Zhao's imprisonment followed a series of legal problems faced by the crypto magnate and the cryptocurrency exchange he founded, Binance. Zhao's legal troubles began after U.S. authorities accused him of multiple violations related to Binance activities. The charges included an unregistered securities offering, market manipulation, and anti-money laundering (AML) protocol violations. In April, Zhao received a 4-month prison sentence after pleading guilty to charges of facilitating money laundering through his cryptocurrency exchange. This term was significantly shorter than the 3 years sought by federal prosecutors. The defense requested 5 months of probation, while guidelines called for 12 to 18 months in prison. I apologize. I believe that the first step to taking responsibility is to fully acknowledge mistakes. Here, I failed to implement an adequate anti-money laundering program. Now I realize the seriousness of this mistake, Zhao said in court. In addition to imprisonment, he agreed to pay a $50 million fine, a modest sum compared to his estimated net worth of $33 billion. He also resigned as CEO of Binance, although he still owns a key stake in the exchange. However, Binance's troubles did not end there. As recently reported by BN Crypto, the company faced allegations of selling creditor claims at a 50% discount during the acquisition of GoPax, a South Korean cryptocurrency exchange. The Financial Services Commission is now investigating the deal, raising regulatory concerns about the platform's actions. Fourth news. How much to invest in Cardano to become a millionaire in a bull market? Cardano is one of the most well-known proof-of-stake blockchains, written in the Haskell programming language and designed to create decentralized applications, dApps. Currently, the project's native token, ADA, is trading 85.5% below its all-time high reached in September 2021. Work on Cardano has been ongoing since 2014, that's when Charles Hoskinson began assembling a team to realize his vision of a fast and secure blockchain for transactions and applications. The project was released 3 years later, in September 2017, and token trading began a few days later. Thanks to a large research community, Cardano has implemented several unique architectural solutions. Its representatives publish many peer-reviewed scientific papers on blockchain project development. Currently, the asset ranks 10th among the most capitalized cryptocurrencies. To calculate the amount of ADA you need to buy to become a millionaire when the price returns to its all-time high of $3.09, you can use the following formula. Amount of ADA equals target amount/expected future price. Where? Target amount $1 million. Expected future price all-time high $3.09. Thus, to see a round sum of $1 million in your account, you need to purchase 323,625.20 ADA. At the current price of 44 cents, the cost of the coins will be about $132,400. However, it should be understood that the crypto market can be extremely volatile and susceptible to black swan events. The calculations provided are based solely on current data and assumptions. Always remember to adhere to risk and money management practices and trade only with money you can afford to lose. Fifth news. Pepe aiming for a new all-time high. The popular meme coin Pepe reached another high a few days ago and doesn't seem to be stopping. Growing investor optimism is pushing the coin to new heights. According to data from the analytics platform Sentiment, large wallet holders are actively accumulating Pepe after a long period of selling. In the past 2 weeks, they have acquired 2 trillion coins worth over $25 million. If the whales maintain a positive outlook, the meme coin's price will aim for an ADH. Moreover, nearly 30 trillion Pepe, bought at prices between $0.00001300 and $0.00001800, are currently on the brink of profit. For these coins to move into the green zone, the altcoin must reach a new peak. Currently, Pepe is trading at $0.00001525, having bounced from $0.00001369. To reach a new all-time high, the meme coin needs to break through the $0.00001725 level and confirm it as support. If this does not happen, the chances of a new ADH will be lost. In this case, the asset price may test the support level of $0.00001369 again. Failing to hold this level will nullify the bullish scenario, sending the meme coin to $0.00001200.